Okay, so we're going to be making a jack plate today for an outboard motor. What you want to do is when you're changing out motors, you want to make sure that the length is right. This little guy right here, this is your anti-cavitation plate. It keeps air from getting to your prop, and that plane wants to be level with the keel of your boat here. So if we took a flat something flat and we laid it across, it should be level with this anti-cavitation plate. As you can see here, the level of the boat is, or the level of the bottom of the boat is about here on my motor. What that'll do is that'll actually create a wake that'll come up and actually spill over into the back of your boat as you're going across the water. Found that out the hard way. Didn't even think to check this. So you can go online and get jack plates for an unreasonable amount of money. What they do is they connect. They go between your motor mount here and your boat, and what it'll do is it'll allow you to move the motor up or down. What we're going to do right now is show you a nice, easy, probably about a $20 do-it-yourself jack plate. And hold on. So what I did, I went down to the local machine shop, and I had them cut me two 16-inch pieces of aluminum square tube. This is about 2.5-inch outside diameter square tube. Had them cut them 16-inch long with a 45-degree cut on one end, because I had to raise the engine about 4 inches. So it's it is, so it's 16 inches to the long edge here. And I've got two of them here. So I've pre-drilled on the bottom side. I'm going to have, these two are going to go into your boat, and this one will be your top bolt going into the boat. And I drilled here on the top, both of them. Your motor's going to, well, on my motor, the motor mounts are actually offset, so one will be here and one will be actually out in here. Well, we don't have anything here, so what I did is I got a piece of aluminum plate, drilled those into my square tube. So my actual motor's going to connect here and here. Ignore that one. That's what you don't want to do. I did a measurement from the outside instead of the inside. But anyway, so my motor's going to connect here and here, or here and up here. These two pieces of square tube were $10. This plate was another $10. So this is actually just a $20 fix here, if you can do all this yourself. All your hardware you're going to want to go down. If you don't have it, here's where your expense is going to come in. You don't have to use stainless steel, but I don't want to ever change them again, so I use stainless steel. These will cost you quite a bit of money. This is where most of your expense will come. You can use like a zinc or just a regular steel bolt, but just take into effect that those will wear out. The zinc won't be too bad, but just a regular steel bolt will rust out within a couple of years. So I got all new hardware. These will actually go through here, through your transom and into your boat. But once that's done, this part here will be against the boat. This is where your motor will mount. This will be right up like that on your boat itself. And I'll come back with as soon as I have that done.